Alright, so what we have got here is the POCO Buds Pro Genshin Impact Edition, which is the most sought gadget that any Genshin Impact fans would want to buy. So I've got it in this really big black box right over here, which Xiaomi sent it over this way, and let's check out what's inside. Alright, so first off, let's just take off the lid here, and first of all, we see another paper with the POCO and Genshin collaboration branding here, and wow, this is a nice case, man. Alright, and let's just take out one more layer of case here, and we finally see the earbuds that's located in this little plastic cover. There you go, this is the headset, and this is apparently Klee's bag like we all know of. And these are the earbuds. Oh my god, this is a really nice headphone case. And look at this, it's in red color and there's this branding here. Open it up and these are the earbuds. It looks really cool. All right, so we're getting another black color box right over here, and we should be seeing cables and ear tips. Yep, we have ear tips of 3 different sizes, and we have a red color USB-A to C cable for charging, and finally manuals. All right, the manual is in red color as well, which is really nice. It's really all Genshin Impact theme. And we have one more thing right inside here, and this is apparently a hook, a keychain hook for you to clip it onto the case here, which is interesting. All right, so let's just put everything aside and check out the POCO Buds Pro. So this is how you loop the keychain onto the top of Klee's back here, and let me just put back the POCO Buds Pro into the case here, and this is ultimately how it looks like. It looks really super cool as a backpack that houses the earbuds here. All right, and let's take it out again. And now we're going to pair the POCO Buds Pro Genshin Impact Edition to my Xiaomi 12, and I'm sure I'm going to hear some Klee notification when I pair the earbuds. All right, so let's just do it. Okay, let's open the POCO Buds Pro case. We should see a pop-up really soon, and there you go. Wow, look at this special animation here for the special edition POCO Buds Pro. And we're just going to tap on connect, and easy does it. Is connected already, and it has really cool animation here. So the case comes with 94% of battery, whereby the left and right earbuds comes with 88 and 89% of battery respectively. All right, and I'm gonna put on these earbuds right now. Wow, these are really small pair of earbuds that that feels really small, and I'm gonna put onto my ears to let you see how well it fits. Fits pretty well. I have pretty medium-sized Asian ears, so it fits really well on my ears and looks really nice as you can see here. And we're gonna play a few songs to find out how good the audio quality is. Now currently I do not have ANC turned on this pair of earbuds, so I can definitely still hear some ambient noise on my surroundings, but you know what? I have to say that it still isolates noise pretty well. All right, now before we go play back any music, let's check out the headphone settings here. All right, so we are going to head on over to Bluetooth, go into the settings here. Okay, so this is the settings of the POCO Buds Pro Genshin Impact Edition. So you can switch between transparency, noise cancellation. You can even adjust whether you want to have adaptive, light, balance, or deep noise cancellation. So currently I'm in deep ANC, and I can definitely hear that my surrounding ambient noise has reduced significantly. It actually does that pretty well. And here are other features of the POCO Buds Pro. It has in-ear detection, which is great for a pair of 259 ringgit earbuds, because not many earbuds of the same price range has in-ear detection. And you have an ear fit tip test as well, which is actually cool. So the POCO Buds Pro will support the AAC codec, which is actually sufficient for most people who wants to stream music in high quality wirelessly. So yeah, this is pretty much the features of the POCO Buds Pro. It's pretty standard across most Xiaomi TWS earbuds out there, and you can even rename the earbuds if you want to. All right, let's play some music, and I'm going to tell you my thoughts about the sound quality of the Buds Pro. So after listening to a few songs on Apple Music that is mostly pop genres, I have to say that the POCO Buds Pro sound generally good in terms of sound quality. There's great clarity, there's good vocals, soundstage, and even the highs are pretty well managed. But unfortunately, the Buds Pro actually lacks a bit of bass. It's not very bassy at all. So if you're the kind of person who loves to listen to rumbles in movies and games such as gunshots as well, this pair of earbuds are probably not going to satisfy you. But for general music listening, the Buds Pro actually does a pretty good job. And when it comes to gaming, there is of course this low latency mode that you can turn on that will reduce latency in terms of the sound transmission. So that actually works pretty well. I've actually tested on a couple of games here. It works well for that. And now let's find out the microphone quality of the POCO Buds Pro. So this is a voice recording done with the POCO Buds Pro Genshin Impact Edition's microphones. I hope it actually sounds good because personally, I have never heard it before, because I really hope it is good so that I can wear this pair of earbuds for making conference calls or talking to my teammates in games, because it's a really cool pair of earbuds that I believe pretty much every gamer would want to wear. In terms of battery life, POCO says that the Buds Pro can offer up to 6 hours of listening time with ANC turned off. So if you intend to have ANC turned on, you should expect that battery life to cut by an hour or by 1.5 hours, which is pretty standard across all wireless earbuds. And with the charging case right over here, it offers up to a total 28 hours of playback time, and that is very, very impressive for wireless earbuds for this price range. So overall, I would have to say that the POCO Buds Pro Genshin Impact Edition is a really, really nice pair of TWS earbuds if you're a big fan of Genshin Impact, and they didn't charge a bomb just because you get this exclusive casing right over here. So I would say it's a pretty good investment if you're a big fan of the game. So yeah, that's a pretty quick look at the POCO Buds Pro Genshin Impact Edition. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and if you have any questions as well, do let me know as well. I'll try to answer them if I can. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next one.